Hello, this one's going to be a little bit different today. I've come up with a bit of an idea. Have you ever wished that there was someone to show you or how to identify a trend and trade it, when to get in and when to get out of a trade, so that you keep your money when the trend's over and you put your money back in when the trend's about to start again? Keep more of your profits and have confidence in trading, like identifying the trend, the bull run, and trading it for profit. Knowing exactly when to get in and when to get out. And also finding someone that you can trust, not like the fake gurus that just read the textbooks and pretend that they've done it and go out and teach it. Someone who's actually been there and done it before. Do you want to know some concrete rules that are static and don't change? And also some rules that are dynamic and move with the market. Be able to identify the trend and trade it. It's going to be a must for the next bull run, that's for sure. I reckon that the next bull run is going to be bigger than the bull run that we've just had. And that went from, I think it was like about 2,500 to 20,000. So if it's anything like what I was looking at before, 3,500 to 71,000, I think the calculation was. Here, I just wanted to show you the chart that I've got now. What I'm looking at doing, I was looking at buying a course last night, and then I thought to myself, I know more than this guy. So I thought to myself, if that's the case, maybe I should be showing other people what I know of this stuff. This is the proof that I have in the pudding. I don't have any certificates or anything like that. I don't believe in certificates. The real market tells you whether you're winning or not. This here is the real market. As you can see, I got in here, got in here, got in here. So 3 buys there and then a sell. 2 buys and then a sell. You can stop and have a look at this and work this out for what sort of profit margins you would have had. And then you'll basically see what the results are. The proof is in the pudding. This has just happened. This is how I trade regularly. This isn't uncommon. This is a normal trading run. But you will see that I didn't trade for a long time before that, simply because there was nothing to trade. I got in when the market moved. So I was way back here, like I was before this actually, and you can see all this time here that I didn't trade because there was nothing to trade. Why is it on that day there that I decided to put a post up on Facebook? Actually, I think it was the next day, saying, and it was the next day, and then I decided that, nope, that's it. From now on, instead of keeping this stuff to myself, I've got to put it out there. So anyway, this is me putting it out there. I thought to myself, this guy was going to charge me, or wanted to charge me last night, just under $6,000 for his course. So I thought to myself, I can teach people better than this guy can teach me. And for, not even a tenth of the price. So I thought, well, if I offer, but I've been thinking to myself, how many people could I take realistically and to cover my time and to be able to teach people with the idea of coming out the end and not needing me anymore because they know how to trade themselves. And especially when the bull run happens, they can do it all by themselves. If I was to offer 10 people, only 10 people to have 4 live one-on-one coaching, 1-hour coaching sessions with me over a month period, then those people would have to take this game seriously, obviously. My trading education started 8 years ago. Most courses have been between 3,000 and 5,000, except the one that I was looking at last night was just under 6,000, so obviously they're going up. And I wanted to make this a no-brainer for anyone who was serious about learning trading. I thought, well, I'll go out and I'll teach people how to identify a trend, when to get in and when to get out exactly, so there's no question marks, and market psychology, how to read the candlesticks for reversals, trend lines and patterns, and volume for confirmation. I've just thought to myself, all these things like I take very seriously. I watch these things every day, and it only takes about 20 minutes for me to go through the whole market and see what the market's doing. It takes me probably about a minute or 2 minutes, probably not even that really, to get on, have a look, see if it's a buy or a sell or a hold. And I can teach you how to do the same. So if you want to be one of the 10, message me or email me. I'm not thinking about a $3,000 or $5,000 thing. And I thought, well, what do I think would be a no-brainer and would be fair? And I came up with the figure of $500. So if you're happy to pay $500 to go for a training, to learn exactly what I do, to be ready for the next bull run that happens, let me know by messenger or message me through an email and we can get started. I'm not going to start until the 1st of next month. I'll be putting this thing together. But if you want to be one of those 10 that gets there, I won't be taking any more than 10. 10 will be enough, and we'll be able to get people through to the other side with only 10. I don't want to spend a lot of time and overcommit myself. This here is Bitcoin as we see it today. Yesterday was a sell at 10,800, and what are we now? 10,400 roundabout. This is not looking very good for Bitcoin at the moment because we have a continuation pattern by the looks of it so far, even though this is resting on a pretty hefty support. But then again, the ground's open. I think the floor's split open on this thing. And especially we've got an increase in volume on the selling side. So I'm not all that enthused on Bitcoin at the moment, to be honest. That's why I'm happy being out in cash. I converted to cash yesterday, or the day before yesterday now. But that's it for me. Anyway, I don't want to do a hard pressure sales or anything like that. I do have some people down, like around town where I live. I'm going to put this to as well. So if you are interested in learning how to trade, doing it seriously, making some serious money on the next bull run, let me know, and I'm more than happy to show you what I know so that you can navigate the markets profitably yourself. That's enough for me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.